So hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix this error. It's gonna be called Failed to Load Library SensApi.dll. So I'm gonna teach you how to fix this one. Let's get started to it. I want you to get on this website called dllfiles.com or simply dll/files or -files.com. With this one, just simply search on SensAPI. As you follow through, click on it, enter, and you'll see one result. Simply click on it and look for this version of your architecture. On my case, it's 64-bit. If you have 32-bit running, please choose this one. So in my case, I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to click on download. And then it will automatically download on my computer on the top right section. Wait for it to finish, and there you go. It will start downloading. It will take around only 10 to 15 seconds. So open the file. Once it's compressed, simply extract it. Extract files right there and choose a destination. I'm going to choose desktop. Basically, I have extracted it on my desktop right now. So with that one, this is the file we're looking for. To do it, I just want you to click on Windows, local disk C. So we want to copy this specific file and then copy and paste it to the Windows file of our PC. For example, Windows right there, and then look for 32. Okay. Give me a second here to look for it. Found it. And with this one, simply click on System 32 and basically paste it right there. Paste the file we extracted, and here you go. Paste it right there. Once it's pasted, restart your PC. And then once restarted, actually I can't restart right now, it will ruin the screen recording. So after restarting, I want you to go on Windows Update very quickly to check for updates on our PC. So you want to see you're up to date on this end to make sure you have no pending updates. That being said, that's how you fix that error on Roblox. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Goodbye for now.